guess what? We're hijacking STELLAZONE again. But this time we're not going to make Ghana food, right? Today we're going to make some American food. We're making Chipotle at home. So a lot of you like Chipotle out there at the restaurant. I know I do. And we're going to show you how you can make some of the simple ingredients that go into Chipotle at home so you can enjoy it at home. Not that it's going to keep you from going to Chipotle. I know I'm still going to go get those guacamole and chips, man. But you know, we're going to show you how you can do it maybe a little more economically at home. So stay tuned. Alright. So Chipotle at home, guys, we got a couple of ingredients here. We already made some of the real basic ones like the rice. We've got beans ready just to be mixed with some spices here. We've already cooked the chicken, which you guys saw earlier. So now we're just going to do the veggies and salsa. We do also have some homemade green chili tomatillo salsa right here. Compliments of STELLAZONE. We'll link that video below. But as you can see, we're going to have black beans. We're going to add all these spices here. What spices we got here? We got cumin, we have salt, we have chipotle, and a nice bay leaf. Okay, we're going to be doing our lemon lime juice. That's going to go in just about everything. We're going to freshly squeeze that. And our fajita vegetables are just going to be green peppers, onions, and a little bit of oregano and salt. That's all that's going into that. Finally, our tomato salsa. It's going to have jalapeno, tomatoes, cilantro that's going to be blended along with more onions. Alright, we're going to get started mixing in the flavors into these beans, and then Junior is going to be working on chopping the veggies over here, and we'll saute everything and we'll be ready to go. Alright, let's add all that in there. On top of that, more beans, and we're just going to stir this in. Easy peasy. We're just gonna let this heat up and let the spices permeate. We'll taste it for added salt, but I think there's already some salt in there, so we'll be good. Alright, moving on from there. We're gonna squeeze some of our lemon and lime juice. Some fresh lemon and lime in there. I already have some lemon going in there. We're gonna add some more and a lime or two. Alright, doing our lime. Okay, so we're going to dice up this. Not really dice, this is going to be chopped into slivers like you see in Chipotle, so you can easily add into your taco, burrito, bowl, whatever. Okay, so it's real simple.
Okay.
Alright guys, so I chopped up the onions and the green pepper. So now Mr. Steve is just gonna, saute or, salt bay. So you just, spice it up, just add a little bit of, STELLAZONE cake or whatever you want to say to it.
Oregano and salt.
Alright, yeah.
That's all.
So
simple. Keep it simple.
Nicely chopped and diced.
Right, waiting for the oil to heat up.
Fajitas.
This is fajita style.
Mm-hmm.
All we're gonna do, get it sauteed up in here.
So what are you doing? What are you going to be doing?
So we have the heat coming up on here. You can hear it sizzling.
Yeah.
All we're going to do is add in this on top. It's just a little bit of oregano and some pink salt.
Okay.
Get that.
If I can use it all. No, it won't fit in the pot. So how long are you going to saute this for?
Just until it's a little bit soft, but it still has some crunch to it. We're just coating it with the oil and the spices, that's all. Okay. So they'll be slightly soft, but still, crunchy enough to bite through. That's just like you get it at Chipotle.
Alright.
So let's get a little bowl to put these in.
Chef Steven on the, I will say on the stove, yeah. I wouldn't say on the mic. This one you're on the stove.
On the stove. Alright guys, so what we're looking for when these are just about ready to be taken off is when the edges start getting a little brown, like you see on the onion there. You'll see it on the peppers too. When they get a little bit brown on the edges, then you're ready to take them off. And we'll start our next batch. I should have used a bigger pan. looking pro.
We got Chef Kwame on the stove.
On the stove.
I am just glad that you guys at least are learning how to cook, at least putting in some effort. Look at Junior. Junior's like shaking that thing. He's like,
right. We're making mistakes, but you know we're learning.
Chef Kwame on dicing some tomatoes, and the look on his face says it all. He's like so serious. Chef Kwame, representing from Ghana. Chef Lesser, representing from USA, Florida.
We got the jalapeno next, onions. We're gonna toss them all in the bowl, add our lemon, lime juice, and salt, cilantro. What we need to do is chop up that cilantro.
Men can cook. Oh, this is a challenge to all the men on STELLAZONE.
If we can do it, you can do it.
If you don't know how to cook, start learning how to cook.
Alright, so we're making a mess in the kitchen here, making our homemade chipotle. We got all of our veggies chopped for our salsa. This is like the mild salsa you would get at Chipotle, where it's just tomatoes, onions, jalapeno, cilantro. We're going to do some lemon lime juice and some salt on top. I want to be a big thanks to Kwame over here for chopping all this up. He did a great job. And so now we're just going to add this stuff and we're going to mix. And so, real simple. Maybe one more. And of course you could do that to taste. We'll do a bit of salt. Here we go. May need a bigger bowl. Always overestimate the sizes of the bowls that you'll need. Because you think you only need something small, and then you end up with something that could feed 10 people. There it is. So maybe we'll strain this a little bit, get some of the liquid out, but that's basically it. We got the salsa, we've got the beans, we've got the veggies over here, our fajita veggies. We got the rice already done and the chicken already done, as you saw. So let's put it all together, plate this up. Alright, so here's our finished plated product here. We have our Chipotle at home. Hey, it looks just like what you get over at Chipotle. You got your rice, your beans, your meat, your salsa, and of course you could always add other things like guacamole, sour cream, cheese. You know, we won't even charge you. We don't have the queso yet, but you know, maybe next time. What do you think, Junior? Does this look good?
Yeah, really good.
Alright, well, couldn't have done it without you, man. Thanks for the help, and thanks for STELLAZONE subscribers for watching.
Alright guys, so you know there's gonna be more challenges. This is not the only part. So if you guys wanna see more, you wanna hit like, if you get more subscribers, you're gonna do more challenges. But if you don't get it, you know, there's not gonna be no more.
Hit the bell too.
Hit the notification bell, subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, and
we got WAAKYE to do.
So we got WAAKYE. So if you guys wanna see the WAAKYE,
peanut butter
better subscribe. If you don't subscribe, no WAAKYE for you guys.
Exactly.
You gotta subscribe now.
Well, we're gonna have Chef Stella taste to this, make sure we didn't poison her.
Okay, so I'm just gonna taste what the guys did. They made Chipotle at home, so I like the rice.
That's it, the rice?
That's everything else, bro. This is good. Wow. If you go to Chipotle, you probably spend about $7, $6, $8, depending. And then you can make this at home. Have some, the chicken.
Chicken's good?
I thought I wasn't gonna have a plate, but I'm good. See you guys. Subscribe. If you've not subscribed to STELLAZONE, subscribe. I don't know what's going into Steven and my little brother Junior, that they've been trying to cook or they've been cooking. Whatever it is, I'm enjoying it. I'm not kidding. Like, this is good. Normally, lately when I go to Chipotle, I just do vegan. But I don't do any meat. I don't do any protein. But this chicken is flavorful, homemade. Thanks, babe. Like it.
You're welcome.
Bye.